Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, October 26. The National Works Agency, NWA, is about to embark on a $27 million hot mix patching program along several roadways in the western parishes of Westmoreland, Trelawney, St. James, and Hanover. It's part of an island-wide hot mix patching program. Community Relations Officer for the NWA's Western Region, Janelle Ricketts, says this phase of the patching program will target the worst affected sections of a number of roadways across the region. These include the Whithorn to Darlaston roadway in Westmoreland, the Falmouth to Springvale Main Road in Trelawney, the stretch of roadway between Shettlewood and Chester Castle in Hanover, and the Fairfield to Point Corridor in St. James. This patching program will come on stream within another 2 weeks. It will augment an earlier $80 million patching program, which targeted several critical corridors across the western region. Motorists only have a few more days to take advantage of Tax Administration Jamaica's traffic ticket amnesty. The traffic ticket amnesty ends on October 31, and the TAJ is urging motorists to avoid the expected last-minute rush by making use of the various payment options available to them. On Saturday, October 28, TAJ will operate 3 additional offices to facilitate persons who wish to pay early in line. The new Saturday openings are the Santa Cruz, Kingston, and Port Maria tax offices. They, along with the Constant Spring, Montego Bay, Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, Savannah Lamar, and St. Anne's Bay tax offices, will be open between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. this Saturday. The Portmore tax office will continue its regular Saturday opening time of 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Business persons are also being encouraged to utilize the convenience of this Saturday's opening to pay and file their monthly GCT returns ahead of the October 31 due date. For even greater convenience, taxpayers may use a valid credit card to pay their outstanding traffic fines online at jamaicatax.gov.jm. This can also be done using the eSpot facility available in major tax offices with on-spot support. The Office of the Children's Advocate has opened a therapeutic playroom at its headquarters in downtown Kingston. It was built with the support of interns from the Northern Caribbean University and donations from NGOs and private sector companies. The room will be used by the OCA Investigations Unit to treat and counsel children who have gone through traumatic experiences.
And we see this playroom as really providing that space that will be conducive to having that child relax a little bit more, find some more ease with disclosing what is a very painful experience, as opposed to being locked in an office where they're sitting around a desk with somebody who's merely recording a statement.
The Children's Advocate says the playroom is a timely addition to the OCA's capacity, as the statistics for child abuse are becoming more alarming.
So we're seeing our children in crisis, we're seeing the situation become that much worse, and with this playroom we're plugging that gap to facilitate easier communication with our children who are hurting.
The use of sustained monitoring programs within health facilities is being recommended for accidental poisoning cases in Jamaica. The call is being made by the Caribbean Poison Information Network, CARPIN, as Jamaica observes International Lead Poisoning Prevention Week from October 22 to 28. While addressing a recent JIS think tank, CARPIN's Poison Information Coordinator said the data that would be gathered could inform the development of policy and legislation to address lead poisoning.
What I would want to see is for us to start having a very active working surveillance program. That's a part of our system. And then from there we can decide how we deal with the problem.
The focus of International Lead Poisoning Prevention Week of action is eliminating exposure of the chemical element in the environment. Persons are urged to read the labels on products they purchase and adhere to precautionary directions. And finally, Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Raymond Spencer, is asserting that too many lives and properties have been lost to fires and other preventable hazards at home or in the workplace. His statement comes as the brigade marks Fire Safety Awareness Week under the theme, Empowering Our People for a Fire-Safe Jamaica. Mr. Spencer says that over the past 10 years, the Fire Brigade has responded to more than 158,000 emergencies, which resulted in over 14,000 citizens being made homeless. With the goal of reducing those numbers, the week of activities include each fire station hosting a mini expo to sensitize persons on safety precautions.
We must reach every corner of this island to preach the message of safety. Yes, fire is our main focus, but of course there are other hazards. Hurricane, earthquake, release of toxic fumes, etc., etc.
Mr. Spencer was speaking on Sunday at the church service to mark the start of Fire Safety Awareness Week. The week of observance will continue until Saturday. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.